Hi there, here at Console we will be showcasing our brand new Jack A2C sewing machine. This is Jack's new line of their A2 machine. This machine features a reverse lever here, as you can see, the stitch length adjustment that's found here, and it goes up to 5mm. The digital screen here. From this screen you can adjust the sewing speed. The lowest is 200 stitches per minute and the highest is 5,000 stitches per minute. The needle position either in the up or down position, and the automatic cutting of the thread. Up top here we've got the bobbin winder, which is bolted into the top of the machine head, and here we've got the thread tension adjustment. We'll now give you a small demonstration of how this machine sews. As you can see there, it automatically cuts the thread for you when you're done sewing by simply pressing the presser foot with your heel. As you can see, it's flawless stitches every time. As you can hear as well, the motor is a silent motor that's built into the side of the machine head here, which minimizes vibration and noise and saves on electricity. This machine comes with a jack stand on wheels as well, as you can see here, and a knee lifter located underneath the table. As you can see, we've got many more sewing machines in stock, so for any more questions, please leave a comment. Thank you very much.